Hi dear friends, today we will have the revision of poem 11 where the mind is without fear, written by Rabindranath Tagore. You may take page number 84. This poem it is written before independence, and through this poem Rabindranath shares his ideas about the independent India, how the independent India should be. And he gives some ideas about the independent India or the awakened India, and according to him the independent India, all the people should be free from fear and all the people should keep their head high without fear. Then for him, in independent India or the awakened India, education must be free, and I have given the three dimensions of education must be free. What all are the three dimensions? The education should be allowed to all the people, and it should be free from all kind of restrictions. Then it should be free to all the people, and a free learning from nature should be there, and there should not be any kind of divisions in the society. According to Rabindranath Tagore, in future India, independent India, there should not be any divisions in the society. So there should not be any kind of divisions in the society on the basis of color, caste, religion and creed, and people should always speak truth. The truth should come out from people, and people must be truthful in their life. And according to the poet, people should work very hard in their life in order to achieve perfection in their life. Many times people are very lazy, but in independent India, all people should work very hard in order to achieve perfection in their life. Then he says that reason should give more importance. We have to think about, and we should not always go with our superstitious beliefs. Don't lose our way with our superstitious beliefs, but use our reasoning capacities and the logical thinking rather than the superstitious beliefs that is prevailing in the society. What happens with us always? We always go with the superstitious belief and sacrificing the reasoning, the scientific thoughts. We have to reason first, and we have to think logical manner and avoid all kind of superstitious beliefs that is framed by the society. Then the poet says that we should have a broad mindset, an open mindset, and we should accept all the things. Otherwise, what happens? My religion, my family, and we are not bothered about other religion, other people. That should not happen. All are equal, and all religions, all caste, all color, all are equal. So such a kind of concept should be there, a broad mindset, open mindset, and open mindset should be there. So these all are some of the qualities Rabindranath Tagore wants in his future India or the independent India, and he prays to God for such a kind of qualities in the independent India, and it is in the form of a prayer to God. This poem, it is in the form of a prayer, and he prays to God that these qualities must be there in his future India or the independent India. So go through the poem. There are different qualities given there, and all the qualities you have to study. The word meaning, then the name of the poem, then the name of the poet, all you have to study. And about the exam, you have to study the word meaning, the poetic devices, the rhyming scheme, all you must study. And here also in this poem also the metaphor and the alliteration are given, so that we already discussed. So you must go through that one and study very well, and if there is any doubts you can contact me, and best wishes for your exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.